atu chana chun bitoi chimnagin chankan rakpe lai ama hi amina Angela Palmer's le Executive Director Community Refugee and Immigration Services ama hi atulio Executive Director tuan ngamisi matsu ama kong he tombaldin thaitan na kon to tagadu misi. I would like to invite Angela Palmer for a speech. She is currently Executive Director as Community Refugee and Immigration Services. Good bang na heaven som tanghasi.
Thank you. I'm wondering about an interpreter because my Hakachin is not very good yet. So I apologize, but I can only give remarks in English. Oh, there's my friend. Thank you. Thank you, Mom. I said it was very nice on a day like today to have 2 jackets on. It's a great honor to be asked to come and speak with you. I am from CRIS, Community Refugee and Immigration Services, and we've been honored to be part of your journey to a new life in the United States.
Community Refugee Service in Arianton to Kase, Ikaram and Patuga in Bantara, Tatin, Nantudir Konakutsa, Goro, Kase.
So far too often, when people think of refugees, they think of refugee camps, they think of hardship, they think of obstacles.
Refugee team ikan rojan pawahen, refugee camp te nakhe mitam dingjon hewa, chuchon don khan tu harsat naktam pi tikin roase.
And while all of those things may be true, and while we know very personally how you've come to this country with very few material possessions because we've been at the airport with you and your luggage.
Chicho mitam picha chonhan kolai asinain nanrat pika khen kanimbu bin ha airport nam phakti zonga khen harsat naktam pi he ritom te nan ra ti kan theko kan bumi se.
I think what we all know in this room is that refugees bring great strength to our community.
Ikai refugee rami polni hen kan community cha hen thajang inan chokha tu chunni ko ho.
So I told my coworkers I was coming to talk with you today, and I asked them,
katun pi hoi na kha kachim mina cho tu chunni jong kachim mina se na pa ko ha.
When you think of the chin that we've worked with, what do you think of?
Chin ti mi pupol he len kan prati kan je tinda nan ro na te khin ka har ton na.
And these are the words that they spoke. Eager to learn, humble, I think I heard 5 times friendly, peaceful, community oriented, and an extremely positive attitude. Sometimes I think we've worried that maybe you haven't spoken up to complain because we don't hear a lot of complaining. We've been amazed at how quickly you found employment. And the Chin are an extremely hard-working community. We find this community to be an example for others. And are very inspired by the way you help one another. And so what I'd like to leave you with, there is a quote that sometimes is attributed to a poet named Maya Angelou.
Chu ke til phatte dok na te ban cha ta na ka du mi
And she says they may not remember what you said or what you did,
mi dang mi khin da tua ser mi na chim mi ki an mu lem lai lo lai an chin che lem lai lo
but they will always remember how you made them feel.
asinai nang mani da tua mi ti ni an thin lunga akhan sa tan mi na ti ke an thin lai lo.
And so maybe while you've forgotten anything we tried to teach you,
kanin chim min ha ke chu cha chu kanin chim min ha ke nan chin che mi thang lem lai lo.
we hope that the way we've been, that you feel welcomed.
asinai kanin dot nak na le nan cha ti fat te kan to mi ke
Because
America kan welcome ko ti ke nan thin no nan feel ko lai ti parwa
you bring strength to our community and you make our whole community stronger.
se nan thon nak ni hin kan community jong ke akan thon tak ke ve thon nak na kan bi chwa kan lo
Happy National Chin Day.
CND nan chunga lunglom na ko se thank you very much. Angela has been a very good helper for our community. When we start from the beginning, we are very small, but because of your help, we are strong. And we are very gracious to you and your co-workers and all employees.
Thank you,
Thank you very
Haibo.
much. Thank you.
I would be remiss without thanking you for the help you brought to your community. It made our job much easier. And my good friend Talion was such a treat to see his wife and children today. And thank you for the community organization for what you're doing for your community. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I hope your ship is not too small. Okay?